is one beauty trend that will never go out of style. Practice director and nurse practitioner at Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, Charmaine Arnaud, is here with her patient, Lanie, to show us a non-invasive treatment that claims to tighten skin and reduce fat with zero downtime. Before we get started, I want to show you before and after of Lanie's face after she had several sessions of this treatment we are about to show you. I have to admit, those are some pretty dramatic results, Lanie.
You know what? I was completely shocked when I saw my before and after pictures. I was like, I think I was actually more shocked at how bad I looked before. I was like, oh my gosh, do I really look that bad?
Yeah.
But the results were so dramatic.
Well, you can really see it. And my trained eye to really look at those areas that are going to benefit on the face, nasolabial lines, the
Right.
jowls, the neck. I mean, I clearly see it. So a couple questions. How long did it take to get those results? And what do you think of the look now?
I went once a week for 6 weeks. And after about the third or fourth treatment, is when I started to notice, and not just myself, but people, my friends were saying like, what did you do? Something's different. And after the sixth treatment, and then they took my after picture and compared it to my before picture, I was completely shocked. I couldn't believe it, but so thrilled, of course, to know that this technology exists, that something like this, where it's so non-invasive, it's such a simple treatment that you can have such amazing results, is just, I'm thrilled.